Ayy, all this shit off the muscle, that struggle was tough than the bitch like a knuckle. Got to that bag, needed chips like a ruffle, it double, now I can take care of my money. Got me a house, watch the price of another. This chain cost the brain, gotta die if you want it. Came up off of violence, don't mean I condone it. I'm chillin', but I keep the Glock if you want it. Ayy.
Hey shorty, just checking up on you. I see you out there shining. I'm so proud of you and all that you've accomplished. I just want you to be safe, stay strong, keep your head up. I love you.
Ayy, stay trying to get to this paper. East City, I find a new hater. Just walked out the troop, that shit brought out the fakers. Went go, so I know pussy niggas gon' hate us. Can't go by the hoe if I ain't on them dangers. Got lasers on all of these blocks and they name. I fell out with partners, they see I was greatness. They gone and I can't see the looks on their face. Pray to the Lord every day for these cases. Feel racist, can't stand near these niggas in place. He might think it's sweet and start thinking about taking. It's cool cause I'm known to throw bullets like Aiken. I used to shut dope till the fiends had them shaking, but I switched it up when shit started getting shaken. Thought the niggas was solid, turned out they was faking and hating and really just wanted my place. I really came up from the bottom of the basement. Went from taking to giving, that's crazy. Turned up for my son, now I got a new baby. Might cop a Mercedes to get my old lady. Not grabbing no mic if them niggas ain't pay me. True hustle, my people knew that when they made me. A 600 stepper gon' step if they make me. They pussy and I already know they won't make it. Hey, all this shit off the muscle, that struggle was tough than the bitch like a knuckle. Got to that bag, needed chips like a ruffle, it double, now I can take care of my mother. Just got me a house, watch the price of another. This chain cost the brain, gotta die if you want it. Came up off the violence, don't mean I condone it. I'm chillin', but I keep the Glock if you want it. Hey.
I know you sit back and watch what's going on, it look real special. But you gotta understand, when it get better, it get worse. You're looking at all the things that come with this whole lifestyle, but you ain't looking at the side effects of success. One thing about the success, when it hit, man, everybody got their hand out. Everybody looking for you. Everybody entitled, man. You get more problems than you ever can imagine because everybody looking at you as you to get out. Yeah, you to get out of jail free card. You to, I'm going to get out the ghetto on. Like, so you got a lot of, I'm talking about there's so much pressure coming your way and you can't even celebrate your success because now everybody changing up on you.